everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Samavia. Hope you all are doing amazing. Today in this video, we will learn how to talk about health and how to show concern for someone who is sick in English. So, let's begin. 1. Asking about someone's health. Ahmed. Are you okay, Hiba? You look terrible. Hiba. I feel terrible. Ahmed. What's the matter? Hiba. I have a bad headache. Ahmed. Did you take paracetamol? Hiba. Yes, I did, but it's not working. Ahmed. I hope you feel better soon. Hiba. Thank you. Ahmed. You're welcome. 2. Asking about health. Hiba. How do you feel today? Wajid. I feel great. Hiba. I'm glad to hear that. Hiba. And how about you, Amna? Amna. Fine, thanks. And you? Hiba. I'm okay, thanks. Amna. Good to know. Hiba. How do you feel, Farhan? Farhan. I feel terrible. Hiba. I hope you feel better soon. Farhan. Thanks. 3. Showing concern for someone who is sick. Ahmed. What's the matter? Are you okay? Hiba. Not really. I was playing tennis all day yesterday, and now my arm hurts. Ahmed. I'm sorry to hear that. Hiba. My back also hurts because I also worked in the garden yesterday. Ahmed. Sad to hear that. 4. Purchasing medicines at the pharmacy pharmacist. May I help you? Ahmed. A bottle of aspirin, please. Pharmacist. Here you go. That's 200 Pakistani rupees. Ahmed. Thanks. Pharmacist. You're welcome, sir. 5. About Ahmed's culture. Hiba. Can I ask you a question? Ahmed. Sure. Hiba. How many sick days does your company give you? Ahmed. 6 days. Hiba. Oh, okay. Thanks for answering my question. Ahmed. You're welcome. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Keep practicing. Until then, take care. Goodbye.